Hey guys, welcome back to Channel C. So, for the past week or so, it's been rain and clouds, oh my gosh, the whole time, and it's so hot too. But it's also raining and cloudy today, but it's kind of sunny sometimes. So, I decided to tell you guys 10 things to do when it's on, or like, 10 things to do on a rainy day. So the first thing you could do is paint your nails. That will probably take like 5 seconds. If you're like me, boop. This isn't even the right color. That's quite a pretty color though. I have to wipe it off now. The second thing you can do is be a quite boring person and read a book. Unless it's a good book, but if it's a history book, that's... I can't do a... There you go. So this is how you read a book. You put down your glasses, you open the book, and you make up the story. Just kidding, that's how my 5-year-old self would read a book. You can also have a spinning contest with yourself and count how many times you can spin in a circle. 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Oh! Or once you get bored of that, you could just eat. After eating, you should probably exercise because you gained so much calories that you need to work them off. Yep, that's it. After exercising, you're probably going to feel so productive, so you'll want to spring clean. Spring clean. Spring clean. I don't really say that out loud, and it's kind of hard. Spring clean. Clean. Just grab your sleeve and wipe, and wipe, and wipe. And then after that, you can probably play tag with yourself. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. That's not working out very well. And then once you're tired of playing tag, you can have a dance party with yourself and your cats. Or dogs. Or a snail. Or fish. And then after your epic dance party, you can count your money. $25, $50, $75, $1.13. And then, if you're still bored after all of those things, just go outside anyway, even if it's raining or storming. But you might get electrocuted. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and come back next week for a new video. Oh.